Merry Advent, Happy Christmas. Today we're gonna have another cute, fun, fast video, and we're gonna make these cute little gift card envelopes. Look how cute these are. And you can do them out of any paper, make them very personalized. You could even hang them on a tree and they won't get lost. So let's get started. So here's the template you're gonna get, and this gives you two little gift card holders right here. And so you're gonna print that out. If you wanted to, you could print it to the back of your paper so you have it already printed on there. Or you could just cut out a template like this and use this on some fun paper. I'm just using some of this heavier 11 by 17 paper. I know I can easily get 2 out of this. And even though these are flowers, I thought they kind of look like snowflakes. So you could trace around this or very carefully just cut it. Or if you print it on the back, you'll already have your lines on there. Now that I've got that one cut out, I am going to score it. And I'm gonna score on the dotted lines. The solid lines are cut lines. The dotted lines are score lines. So you can see where the lines are, but even without the dots on here, I can see it's gonna go from that corner to that corner. I'm gonna fold the 2 long center pieces in. And I'm just going to use a small piece of double stick tape to hold those. I put a piece of double stick tape right there, and that's just going to adhere that. I kind of lined it up so this would be the back flap. I thought that was cute. So I'm going to fold this one up at the bottom. And this bottom edge, I don't want a huge piece of tape because it could stick to here, so I'm just using a thinner piece. But you could also just use a glue stick. Look how simple that was so far. So this part of the template, you're going to use as an actual template on your paper. Right here at this flat edge is going to be the fold of your paper. So this flat edge up here is the fold of your paper. So right here, my paper is folded in 2. I'm gonna lay it on here, and if you're worried about pen marks or pencil marks, do it from the inside. And I am just going to trace this and cut this little guy out. So I wanted something that you would see it and it would stand out. So whether you wanted to glue it on a corner, on this end, or even on the back end. So whatever you would like. I think I'm going to do this one at this corner. So I'm just going to hole punch in the center. Then I can add some ribbon or something else through this. I'm going to use a small piece of double stick tape and stick it to my envelope. And I'm going to put that from about the hole down the edge. And this is where the flap is at the top. So I think I'm just going to put this at an angle right here. And I'm going to use a cute coordinating sticker on this. Put that on there. You could even put a little stamp or a little transfer. And since this reminds me of snowflakes, I think I'm gonna do a cute little snowflake on this. Look how easy that was. So after you've done that, you can put your gift card in. You could even do some more stamping or aging and add a cute little ribbon, and you are all set. How fun for a little gift card holder. So you saw how easy this was. So don't forget, at the bottom of the video, there is a link. Click on that, and it'll bring you to the template to make these cute envelopes. Whatever you do, have fun. Happy Advent.